Bate.
Halo ko lang.
Bate.
Bagat to rito. Dito play nga to. Una yung mga baby oh.
Stop your hand. Okay. Good. Let's do it one more time. Are you ready?
Yes!
Pas case clown.
Pas niya maglamay. Ayos again. Okay, let's do it slow just like that. Bato. Isa.
Okay, kamu lang yung partner ni Quentin. Oh, dali, dito mo sa front. Okay, you wanna join the game? Huh? Okay, do you have a partner? You don't have a partner?
Di siya maulaw
Okay,
din.
so it's okay, you can join.
Play lang sila.
Asa mo nas na itanong dulaan?
Ni nanay.
And, yes,
Linda.
okay, can you join the group?
Linda.
Here. Okay. That's it.
Dan!
Okay, now, let's proceed to our next game. Who's your partner, baby?
Bakit Paris wala?
Oh, partner siya man ng host ng Lourdes. O, di alam ka ng Lourdes, ha? Okay, kids, stay in front with your partner and mama, stay behind the kids. Kukti lang daw kakamot. 2 hands.
Nga naman ang butchok.
Kalibangon. Oh, kalibangon si Butchok, no? Kasi muutong na siya, ha? Nakadagat at extra diaper. Okay. Okay, kamo diri mga side, nakabunan sila, diri mo ten. Right here. Okay, now hold the hands of the kids. 2 hands. Okay, like this. Follow. Okay, like this. Okay, hold the hands of the kids. Now, the name of the game that we are going to play is what you call the Batu-Batu game. You know Batu-Batu game? Yes or no? Okay, how to play? Listen. If I say Batu, when the clown says Batu, put your hands on your head. Put your hands on your head. Well, now, when the clown says, Batu, put your hands on your shoulder. Good. Now, when the clown says, Batutus, and put your hands on your tummy here, you do it like this. Okay, that's what you call the Batu game. Again, Batu, singular, Batu, plural, Batutus, with S. 1, 2, and 3. Batu. Remember, clown and I will make a trick sometimes. I'm going to make a trick sometimes. Now, you listen very carefully because if I caught you, you're not in the right position, you will be out. In other words, ang lead! You already have your prize? Prize wala pa? Wala pa, okay, surprise. We'll give chance to others that wala pa yung prizes. Hi, okay, next order is, who can bring me here? Who can bring me here? Cell phone without camera. Go! Yeah! Oh, nakauna siya. You get your prize, baby. The guy's an auto. Oh, it's a sports car. Sponsored by Mommy. Magkain ko na pa doon sa ubos. Next order. Next order. Who can bring me here?
Ma'am, di mo na kuya.
5 pieces of stones or 5 kabato. Go! Dali! 1, 2, 3! Bato na kita diri siminto. Bato! Siminto ay disqualified na siya. Kanya? Bato ni siya? Bato dyan siya. You get your prize. Usa rin yung bato bibi. Wala pa yung surprises, no? Wala pa? O, dali. Ikaw, dali. Sige na, katinan yung prize ko dito. Sugar Buddy! Go episode that you want! Chicken group episode 8 to 6! shake it, buddy. Shake, shake, shake. Double shake it. Globe sa dito. 9. Got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1, 2, sit down. You are out.